Hello, my name is PAM, which stands for Personal Assistance Machine. You have crash landed on this remote outpost. Your ship needs refueling. Hopefully the past inhabitants left some energy cells around. I will help you on your mission. Explore this outpost by clicking the left thumb pad and look for energy cells like this. When you find one, pick one up using the left trigger and say analyze. I will then determine if the battery has enough energy. It's unclear if there will be any enemies, so be prepared. You are armed with a high-impact energy pistol. You can fire it by clicking the right trigger. When your ammunition depletes, say reload and I will reload it for you. If you do encounter enemies, you can say shield and I will activate the shield to provide temporary protection. You need to find 5 batteries with energy.
Reload.
When you do, come back to the door with the red light to return to your ship.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Deploy drones. Deploy drones.
Analyze.
Battery has energy.
Analyze.
Battery has energy.
Reload. Analyze.
Battery has energy.
Analyze.
Battery has energy.
Analyze.
Battery depleted.
Analyze.
Battery has energy.
Reload.